In this video, let's go over some more ideas for how you can make more money from the same customers. Then we're going to go over a few examples of businesses and how they extend a customer spending. And then we're going to focus on your business and the exercise for you. So just to give you some more ideas here, I've collected a few ways for how different businesses collect more money from the same people. And essentially, they might not all apply to you in your case, but just start thinking about it. Start kind of putting it in the back of your head, and maybe it will occur to you how you'll get more money from the same customers. Okay, so people collect tips, from taxi drivers to even Fiverr sellers to cleaners to who knows, tips. Okay, very common. You can also, of course, additional products, additional services you can sell to people. And this is like, how when you go to a store and you have ice cream and you have, oh, there's a chocolate flavor and a strawberry flavor and a vanilla flavor. You want to try multiple flavors. Every new flavor a person tries, that's another purchase. So if they bought one flavor, that's great. If they bought a second flavor, that's a whole 100% increase on your initial revenue. Imagine that. It's so easy. So, of course, customer happiness is tremendous because not only does it get people to come back, but it also gets people to recommend. And in the vein of recommendations, you can give new customers discounts. So you might never have earned a new customer, but if you incentivize a new customer with a discount, then boom, you've got a new customer. And now instead of one customer, you've got two customers. So those are some of the ways you increase revenues. Now let's go over common businesses. Okay, mobile apps. So apps love to charge subscriptions if that type of usability pattern applies, because they get to bill you this month, next month, next month, next month, as opposed to just one time. And over a 12-month cycle, that's 12 times more purchases. That's 1,200% more revenue. Restaurants, they are amazing at upselling. You come there to eat, right? If you just took a dinner for takeout, you'd maybe spend a certain amount. But if you sit there, you'll give them a tip in the end. You'll maybe take a look at the dessert menu. Maybe you'll get drinks with friends. Maybe you'll start some appetizers. Okay, those are all things you wouldn't have gotten probably if you're just getting takeout. So these are all amazing things they upsell to you. And quality is incredibly important for them because they want you to come back. They want you to love it and come back and bring friends. That's how they extend revenue. And in case of a moving company, now a moving company is basically somebody you hire once and you hope to never have to hire them again in many cases. So how do they extend monetization? It's hard for them. So tips, extra distance. They charge for the extra distance, for extra weight, and sometimes extra time, because very often consumers miscalculate how long it's going to take them. And as long as they're get paid by time, by the hours, they're totally fine when you underestimate how long it's going to take them. So that's how they make money from you in just additional ways. So for your exercise, for your business, I'd like you to list how, before the section of monetization in this course, how you were planning to monetize your customers. Honestly, list that. And now I'd like you to list the new way of how you're going to make it more effective. And if it hasn't changed for you, why don't you post in the course discussion or privately? You can send me, explain your business in a sentence, and post how you plan to monetize, and then maybe also post how you maybe if you don't have new ideas, let me know. I'll try to do my best to make some suggestions to see if, hey, maybe there's better ways to monetize. So that's my exercise for you, to at least come up with new ways to monetize, more effective ways based on this and previous lecture.